Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bold text in Microsoft Word. Want to make text stand out in Word? I'll show you 3 easy ways to bold text for emphasis. Let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to use the bold button. And to do that, before we do that, go to Word and then open a new blank document. Now, once you open a new blank document, select the text you want to make bold, for example this one, and then click on Home and go to the bold section, to the font section, and click on the B icon to make it bold. As you can see, this made the writing bold. Or you can also press Ctrl plus B. As you can see, this changes the bold effect. The second step is to use font settings for more effects. And to do that, just select the text and then go to Home and then Font Settings and then go to the small arrow, and here adjust bold, bold italic or font weight for extra emphasis. The third step is to use styles for consistency, and to do that, just go to Home again and you can search for fonts and styles and choose strong or hidden styles, and this ensures all bold text follows the same format. Use bold sparingly for better readability and combine bold with color or underline for more emphasis. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you bold text in Microsoft Word. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.